Okay, guys, you've been asking for months now for me to do a big giveaway, and I have finally found some time to actually do this. I don't even actually have the time right now, but I'm going to do it anyway because I've been promising for so long. Jason Works. Everybody's been asking, Jason Works, Jason Works. They all want to see his stuff. Okay, Jason was so kind. He actually sponsored us months ago. I'm talking about, I'm the one that's been lagging. Jason sent this stuff to me prior to Christmas.
What you doing, Mom?
And you have got to see what he just sent us. Jason calls it the gamut. So without wasting any more time, check this out right now. Make some room on this table. Now, from what I can see, okay, so I actually had to take a time out and regroup because I couldn't believe it how much Jason had sent us. And I mean, looking inside this box, it was filled, it's absolutely filled with tools. Wow, look at this. Every single item is individually wrapped and packed in here. Oh my goodness. This is going to take a minute. I'm gonna have to speed up through this. Let me tell you what we're going to go through real fast, and then I'm going to do a fast layout of this because there's a lot to go through. Basically, he's got a 9-piece auto punch kit in here that doesn't require spacers. It's self-centering, so no spacers are absolutely required. 11-piece reduction die kit, a folding and stretching kit. So he does have a folding and stretching kit. Wow. Master Swedish kit, that's for making the coins really level on both sides, and I use those for all kinds of things. He's included a signed copy of his book, the Coin Ring Bible. He's got some miscellaneous, is like 3 rolls of pipe tape, Jason Works stickers, some of his business cards, and 4 wood holders. So that you can keep everything in a perfect order so that when you're working, you'll know where everything is and it's not scattered throughout the workshop like you've seen in some of my other videos. So I'm going to appreciate that, Jason, helping me keep my stuff in order. All right, so I'm going to roll this and get this spinning so you can see just how, and wow, let's get going. Okay, so if it's not obvious by now how I feel about the new kit that Jason's put together, it's without a doubt, at least as of today, the best kit that I've seen on the market anywhere. I think I've bought everything that you could possibly purchase as far as coin ring making hobby, making rings. I've got about every tool. I've got about 200 grand in tools, and no joke, I mean, I can't think of anyone that's even come close to them. I have spent far more than I would have ever spent had I had been able just to purchase that in an all-in-one kit like Jason's offering right now. So would I endorse it to everybody? Absolutely, without a doubt, guys. If you can't afford the entire master kit, at least get his beginner's kit and start there, and then build your way up to having the master's kit, which is nothing more than everything that he owns. and it's, in his words, the complete gamut. Okay, so we're at the point where you guys wanted to win something, and you guys know that I always have something to give away at the end of all my my open box reviews. And so we've got a really nice gift that Jason's been gracious enough to give us to give away. And this is the way we're going to do it. I want you guys to go down below and look in the comments section. It'll have full instructions. Give me a little time. If you're just now watching this video because I just now uploaded it, I need a little time to implement it and get it into action. So I'll put on there temporarily not receiving any tickets, but basically it's going to be a brand new system that I've never done before. And the way it's going to work real quick is that for every person that you share it to, all of your social media, if you share this link to your Facebook, to your Twitter account, to Instagram, anywhere, for every comment that you make below, for every response that you make to the comments, you're going to be given an additional 1+ entry into the drawing. So that means you have the possibility of putting 100 entries in there if you want, and really taking the advantage over everyone else at winning this contest. So if you want to win, make sure you subscribe down here in the bottom left, and you like the page, and also call or message Jason and tell Jason that we really appreciate his sponsorship and giving away such wonderful things to do an open box with and giveaways with, because it's guys like that support us and helps the community continue to grow in the hobby. All right, you guys, thanks a lot for watching. You guys take care. Peace out.
You're still here? It's over. Go home. Go.